Hey, I'm Noki Kimboy, and today we're focusing on agriculture. Stay tuned. We start with the market. Ongoing investigations against Kakuzi is affecting Kenya's entire avocado industry. This is according to the players in the fresh produce sector. Brenda Kerubo with more.
Avocado production in the country has soared this year, with exports reaching 68,000 tons, valued at 14 billion shillings. This compared to 59,000 tons in 2019, valued at 10.6 billion shillings.
The national government, the county government, working with the key stakeholders within the horticulture industry, have continued to raise awareness about the importance of farmers in Kenya growing avocados. And as you drive around this country, you realize that there are more and more farms that are being put under production of avocados.
The Kakuzi investigation is, however, dimming the prospects in the sector.
The recent case against Kakuzi, which has made headlines in the recent past, has affected the Kenya avocado. We equally urge any party or any Kenyan who has a claim against any of the companies that produce and export fresh produce out of Kenya to report to the nearest police station.
The case against the company has been brought forward in the United Kingdom courts by 79 Kenyans represented by law firm Leyday. Investigations are also underway locally.
We therefore request that all players, local and international, cooperate fully with these investigating authorities. It's important that we allow the Kenyan judicial system to freely undertake these investigations so that justice is done and perpetrators, if any, are brought to book.
Kenya's equatorial climate allows it to produce avocado throughout the year, but the main season is February to October. The export season is closed at the moment and will resume in February 2021. Brenda Kerubo, KTN News.
Over the years, smallholder farmers have suffered huge